I finally got them. Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. None of this, no, sorry. One of the products here is brand new. I'm going to be the first to review it on YouTube. It's a new product from Sudio, new headphones, the latest, greatest headphones. But otherwise, it's nothing new. So that's why I do this collected more shopping video. So let's start off with this one. This is the book called Dilla Time, a book about Dilla. And I pre-ordered this in February. I was probably the only, or at least the first one to pre-order it on Amazon Sweden. And I got it today at first, March 23. But I'm just happy because that means that the book was sold out and sold in many more copies than they expected. I haven't read it, but I already know that Don Charnas did a great job. I was so impatient. No, first of all, I pre-ordered it on Amazon Sweden. Then I noticed a couple of days later that it was available as an audiobook as well. So I bought it as an audiobook on Amazon US. And then I had to log in on another app that is Amazon Audiobooks app. And when I logged in there, I came to Amazon UK, but I did not know that. So I bought the book again. So I have actually bought the audiobook twice and the hard case book once. And you guys, only 1% of you guys are returning viewers. So you know nothing about me. I am a huge fan of Dilla. Dilla literally changed my life. I have the book about his last couple of days, about the making of the Donut album. And I have actually not read that book because it is too close to heart to me. But this book is just excellent. He covers the whole thing, and he's spoken with people that were very close to JD himself, and it's a great book. The audiobook is 14 hours long. Some parts I think we could have done without, but super great book. Great thing to just inspire. Everything about Dilla is just great. When you buy the audiobook, you download a PDF file with some graphics, and if I get it correct, they are supposed to be here in the book as well, but I'm a huge supporter. I bought the audiobook twice, the PDF file. Yeah, I have a digital audio as well, so I have bought this book 4 times actually. Huge Dilla fan. Next package we have from Sudio. Their latest headphones, I think they're called E2. But I will do a real video about those. They are in the beautiful jade green color. I really like that color. Sudio E2. And they have active noise cancelling. They have this spacious thing that you have with Apple AirPods Pro. So these are supposed to be the latest, greatest, the best thing. So that will be another video. And now for the shoes that I've been really looking forward to. The Puma Rick and Morty. And I haven't been excited over a pair of Pumas since the Def Jam pack. And that must be at least a year ago. Did it drop last summer? I don't know. But the LaMelo Ball sneakers. Everyone seems to love them. I tried to get a hold on the red ones. I tried a couple of times, couple of places, because Soul Story here in Sweden got them pretty late, but I could not get them. And when Soul Story in Sweden got the red ones, we found out that they were going to release these. And no matter how much I love red sneakers, colorful, unmatching sneakers are much cooler. I think I would prefer if the red shoe were red like the previous released red sneakers, but this is more like a Volt cherry color, so they are not deep red as the previous pair. I still want the all red pair, maybe even the purple ones that are being released next, but they go for resale money, and that is no fun at all. To me, it is a mid-top shoe. I dislike mid-top shoes. I absolutely prefer high tops, and if I must, I can go with a low top, but mid-top, I don't like it because I think that they are uncomfortable. But these, I just had to have these. We have a car event coming up, a big deal for us in Sweden, and I started a trend where I buy a new pair of shoes just for that event. Something flashy, and other people have copied that. So this is absolutely my Elmia shoes for this year. Absolutely. I'm gonna try them on. This video is not a review. There are a bunch of videos of these shoes already. Nightwing has always the greatest videos about unboxing shoes, but these are cool. I just hope that they are true to size. I've been hearing all kind of things. Some say go up a full size, some say go up a half size, some say go true to size, and some even say go down half a size. They look big. I'm gonna try them on. I really hope that they are comfortable and breathable. The price here in Sweden was 160 euros, a little bit more than what you pay in US. But I'm just super happy that I have them. And once again, Soul Story got them late, and that's the only reason why I got them, because the hype had cooled down when they got dropped in Sweden. Super cool shoes. The whole Rick and Morty thing, yeah, I could have done without the logos on the tongue. I could actually go with just red and green, or Volt or neon or whatever. But of course, I love Rick and Morty. So since we have a Rick and Morty team, that is super cool. We have their faces on the tongues, etc., etc. But once again, this is not the video about the shoes. This is just a more shopping, unboxing, multi-unboxing video. But I'm gonna try them on because I'm curious, and I believe that Nightwing did maybe not 2 videos about these, but he did a video about the red ones where he said go up a full size, and when he did the video about the Rick and Mortys, he corrected himself and said what other people said, that they should be true to size. I really hope that they are true to size. There are many reasons why I don't like low top shoes and mid top shoes. Is because the high top shoes I can go without tying the laces. These I'm pretty sure I have to untie and tie them for them to be. I like them so far. The tongue is nice, thick, nice. The material is yeah, it feels kind of cheap, but it feels padded and soft. The colors are just wonderful, and in hand I do prefer that they are Volt cherry. but they are a bit small. They are a bit tight. Yep. I'm guessing that I could go with half a size larger. But I have a new problem with sneakers. I don't know why, that they are small on the top. So if you don't have that problem with sneakers, they are maybe true to size. So if I untie the laces completely, like I usually have to do, which looks really silly, they fit me better. Yeah, now they are true to size. Still a little bit small, but I would not go up in size. I don't think so. Yeah, they're okay. They're okay. Just for fun, let's see what it looks like in neon light. So with neon light, you have, oh man, this was cool. This was cool. Yeah, I'm super happy with them. Super stoked. And they are comfortable. This was a great buy. For you that have seen my videos before, what do you think about this concept? Because I usually only do reviews if I have something new to bring to the table. If I'm first with a product, or if I have something to say that the other reviewers have not mentioned. Here I felt that I wasn't first with anything. The headphones I'm going to do a real review of. But what do you think about these more shopping videos that I do sometimes? Do you prefer to see, did you prefer 3 videos here instead of 1? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.